Hey YouTube, it's a lot of Glock here. Uh, we have our favorite gun of all. It's the Glock 18, Glock 18C. Basically. Voila. Alright. Some things we're going to show you today, guys, is the differences between the Glock 18C and the Glock 17. This is a Gen 2, this is a Gen 3. Alright. We throw our K-bar bayonet on there just in case we get in any kind of trouble, you know, zombies or anything, you know. It's a bad boy. Yeah. We have already safety checked the weapons, just so you don't dog on me for it. And that's that. Right, come over here and let's look at the selector switch, sir. You got the 2 and the 1. Select the fire. These will not break down with the selector switch in the fully auto position. Just a heads up. Not that you'll ever get to touch one, but yeah. So, let's go ahead and take off our little K-bar bayonet. We are going to safety check the weapon. As you can see, there's no bullets in the chamber. No bullets in there. Okay, we are good. Pop. And we now have a broken down 18C. Okay. First I'm going to show you is this little bar that is up here. That comes off. That's not in the 17. And that's about the only difference in this frame, other than it could be a little wider than the 17. At least on the Gen 3. So, other than that, it's just a regular Glock. Secondly, this is your selector switch right here. That goes down to full auto. This is semi-auto. And what we're looking at is this little pin. Can you see that? That's all it does. Alright. We have a slide cutout for reducing weight. Then you got your area for the ported barrel, which this is the barrel. Goes from big to smallest. These things throw out a lot of fire, because it's a lot of firepower. Alright, so we got the 18 broke down, as you guys can tell. I'm going to go ahead and take apart a 17, Gen 2. See, it's unloaded. Even if it was loaded, I wouldn't care about shooting my floor. I can replace that. Alright. Well, put that about right there. First we'll go over the frame. There's no notch in this frame down here. A little metal bar sticking out. Everything else is pretty symmetrical. Secondly, we'll do barrels. Alright. Third, your little spring things are identical. Same part number and all. Okay, last we will do slides. Okay. Not much difference at all. Didn't notice I had Gen 2, Gen 3, your extractors. Both have nice heights. That worked good. So, well, that is our Glock 18. Go ahead and put it back together. Field stripping it for you guys. We noticed that there was none of these on YouTube. That was them tracking me. Don't worry about that. Those guns are put back together. This one's my baby, as you can tell. I try to take care of her. This one just, duty weapon, No bodies on it yet. Next we will have the KSG breakdown, and I don't know if you guys do not know what that is. It's a Kel-Tec shotgun. It holds 14 rounds plus 1 in the chamber, or you can throw in specialty rounds in it, or you can throw in 2 chambers full, whatever you really want. There's a little selector switch between the 2 guns, or the 2 chambers. And then we can get you an MP5 video breakdown. That gun's boring though. Glock 18's way better. Yeah. But for a submachine gun, it is what it is. So, I think we're probably done with the video today. Just really wanted to show you guys the breakdown of a Glock 18 and compare it to a 17. And how the selector switch works and all that, because I haven't seen it on YouTube yet. So, over and out.